As I told you earlier, the drive which was repaired is already installed and now it is under process of working. You can see the machine is in functional mode. Here it is. The job is there on the platform. It is cutting it, and you can see the two rods sort of thing which is measuring the diameter of the job, and that's the function of the drive which is repaired. You can see it's a linear motion of the unit which is continuously measuring the diameter of the job, and once the diameter required is achieved, it senses the diameters which is fed in and then informing the system for the job completion.